Would you risk losing thousands of pounds on your dream property project? Imagine hiring a builder without a contract or starting the renovation without a clear plan. It sounds crazy, I know, but people do it all the time and end up with half-built projects, blown budgets, and legal nightmares as they try to sort it all out. Let's make sure you don't become another horror story. The first step is a good consultation. Skipping this means you might start without a true clear vision, but a proper consultation ensures that we uncover any potential issues and make sure that everything's aligned with your goals. Step 2, appointing the right professionals. You may well need an architect, structural engineer, or even a planning consultant. May all be required to help your project run smoothly. The right team keeps you compliant and make sure it's all efficient. The third step is deciding and designing the finishes. Making decisions about these last minute often causes delays, and a solid plan makes sure that everything runs smoothly right from the very beginning. Step 4, timelines and budgets. Without knowing these up front, everything can spiral out of control quite quickly. Having a solid timeline and budget makes sure it all runs smoothly. The fifth step is the final review and sign off of the plan. If you rush into construction without checking all the details, you can risk major setbacks as things get tweaked and altered. The sixth step is the tender process. Only getting one quote can potentially mean overpaying, but a competitive tendering process makes sure that we get the best price and quality. Step 7, the contract. No contract, no protection. Formal agreement keeps things clear and fair for everyone. Don't let your dream project turn into a nightmare. Follow these simple steps to save time, money, and stress. If you want expert guidance, get in touch today and let's make your project a reality.